The Advanced Applique tool can be used in conjunction with the Open Object tool and Closed Object tool to create more complicated applique designs. For instance, if you want detail lines to pass through the applique object, such as in the dragonfly wings, you will want to use Advanced Applique instead of Digitized Applique. In addition, you may want to create an applique with a stitch other than those available with the Digitized Applique tool. Advanced Applique can do this. Objects are first created before Advanced Applique is applied. You must digitize the background objects first and then work toward the foreground. Select the Open Object tool in the Digitize toolbox and right-click on the pattern run stitch. Click on Select and choose Home Deck from the drop-down choices. Select stitch 427 and click OK. Change the size and the shape to 0.25 inches and click OK. Underneath objects are digitized first, and remember with pattern runs, it makes a difference what direction you digitize. For pattern runs, digitize clockwise to create this pattern correctly. Use left and right clicks to form the shape. Press Enter to activate. The only left clicks that were used were at the base of each of these designs and at the corner of each of the points of the wing. All of the other clicks were right clicks. Digitize the antenna next. Select the color that you want as well as the type of stitch. Enter to activate. For the body of the butterfly, a closed object tool will be used. Right-click on the stem stitch to open up object properties. Change the line thickness to 1.5 millimeters. Change the spacing to 0.75 and change the angle to 70. Click OK and digitize around this shape. This will be all right clicks around this object. Let the software enclose the shape by pressing Enter. It is important with Advanced Applique that all the areas touch. Hide the picture by selecting Show Bitmap Artwork and zoom in to check the contact points. Select the first object in color film and activate Reshape. Check each end to make sure that the ends overlap slightly into the border stitching. Press the Tab key to go to the next object and check those border control points. Press the Tab key to go to the next, again adjusting the reshape points if necessary, and finally adjust your last crossover. When you're done, press Escape and select everything. Go to the Applique toolbox and click on Advanced Applique. You want a white netting in every object. If you're missing any, click on Close and go back to Reshape by selecting the object and clicking on Reshape. Once again, zoom in and make sure that the control points at the border cross over into the adjoining object. Select everything once again and click on Advanced Applique. Repeat this until all the objects have the white netting background. Once the white netting is in all parts of the dragonfly, click on Place Fabric and Color in Patches. Select the color of fabric you wish to use and click on the objects to add the fabric. Click on Back and click on Close. Remember to have Show Applique Fabrics highlighted in order to show the fabrics.